It's sad to see that 80% of the startup fails during their first year and rest 10% sooner or later. Many entrepreneurs come to me complaining that they are not able to generate income in their business. What do you think may be the reason? It's money or something else? Of course, it's not money. So we have to analyze it. Namaskar दोस्तों, this is Amit Sharma, an entrepreneur, coach, trainer, speaker, your friend and handholder. You feel that there is a lack of personal growth. Neither company is growing nor you are growing. Income is also not growing as fast as it should be. You are in a wrong job or not doing the job in a right way. You have a feeling that something is missing. You are doing dhakka maar, but not getting the result. People think that business fails due to lack of money, but it's not money. It's improper mindset. अगर जीतना है तो सीखना पड़ेगा. You cannot just take anything you like and enter the market. It won't work. वो काम नहीं करेगा. Business results are directly proportional to skill, knowledge, and attitude. If this does not grow, business will not grow. First, you need to finalize an idea that would solve a real world problem, like what Amazon and Zomato did. You have to find a solution to some existing problem in the market. You will be paid for that. You get money for solving a problem. Look for different channels to acquire a customer that works very well. Look for new markets, age-wise, product-wise, and quality-wise. Be different in solving problem. Then you have to find a case to use that idea so that it becomes a business. You need to build your product and services, finalize business model, create new products and services around it. Create expansion plans like getting affiliates for your business, getting business associates, develop more sales channel, look for franchisee. Understand challenges, reduce higher owner dependencies. Your business should run without you. आपको साइड पे खड़े रहने की जरूरत नहीं है. It should work. If your business is not working without you, then there is some problem and you have to sort it out. Do not hire cheap talent because if it's cheap, it's not talent. When you throw a peanut, you only get monkeys. Try to delegate the things. मुझे मैनेजमेंट भी करना है, मुझे सेल्स भी करना है, मुझे मार्केटिंग भी करना है, मुझे लीगल मैटर्स में भी हैंडल करना है. You cannot do everything. Try to delegate the things. You have to have a business management framework. Set up a management framework in your business. Like who is responsible for what task and role clarity. What are the goals for each functions of our business? What are the methods to achieve those goals? What is the mechanism to track progress? How do you create a growth culture? Get out of any work that is not directly responsible for strategic growth and expansion of your business. Hire or outsource and delegate. Design a magnetic strategy. I am just giving you an overview. We shall discuss all these in more details in my upcoming videos. So I request you to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my powerful videos. And you are up till here, so must have liked. So please hit the like button. Please share this video so much as you can, so many others you never know can be benefited. Entrepreneurs or business owners should have these following qualities. Large thinking. They should be focused and self-motivated. They should have the habit of seeing the future. They should be a continuous learner. Keep yourself fit or work out. They should have the habit of taking risk. They should have the habit of me time. That is, spare some time on your development. Invest time on yourself. They should have the habit of giving back. Do something that is helpful to the society or help underprivileged. This is up for now, my dear friends. This is Amit Sharma and I'm signing off. Catch you later in my next video. Take care. God bless you. Jai Hind. Tata.